Java and Python are two of the hottest programming languages in the market right now because of their versatility, efficiency, and automation capabilities. This Java versus Python blog will provide you with a complete insight into the languages in the following sequence. This comparison on Java versus Python will provide you with a crisp knowledge about both the programming languages and help you find out which one fits your goal better. Java and Python are two of the hottest programming languages in the market right now because of their versatility, efficiency, and automation capabilities. What is the difference between Python and Java? Both the languages have similarities and differences, which makes it more difficult to select one out of the two. The most common question asked by the programmers is that if Python is better than Java. So let's begin the comparison and find out the winner in Java versus Python. Let's begin introduction of both languages. Java is an object-oriented language with a C, C++-like syntax that is familiar to many programmers. It is dynamically linked, allowing new code to be downloaded and run, but not dynamically typed. Java is a statically typed general-purpose programming language. It is an object-oriented and concurrent language. Python is most loved because of its simplicity. It's easier to learn and use. However, if you want to build an application, you have to critically analyze the strengths and weaknesses of the languages before making a choice. If you are a beginner and you want to learn a programming language quickly, then Python should be your choice. Python is more suitable for data science and artificial intelligence. AI developers prefer Python over Java because of its simplicity, ease of use, and accessibility. Speed. In terms of speed, Java is faster than Python as it is a compiled language. It takes less time to execute a code. Python is an interpreted language and it determines the type of data at runtime, which makes it slower comparatively. Legacy. Java's history in the enterprise and its slightly more verbose coding style mean that Java legacy systems are typically larger and more numerous than Python's. Python has less legacy problems, so organization finds difficulty for the script to copy and paste codes and gives it a slight edge over the other languages. Code. Java is very verbose as compared to Python. It takes 10 lines of code to read from a file in Java. It only takes 2 lines of code in Python. This makes Python a more preferable language. JDBC. Java database connectivity is most popular and widely used to connect with database. Python's database access layers are weaker than Java's JDBC. This is why it rarely used in enterprise. Practical agility. Java enjoys more undeviating refactoring support than Python thanks to its static type system and universality of IDEs in development. It is more popular for mobile and web applications. Python has always had an existence in the talent space and is considered to be the most favorable language for machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT, and a lot more. Now let's look at trend. The trend in the USA for the last 5 years. This clearly suggests that Java was famous previously, but slowly it's declining its popularity in developed countries. But still in India Java is still the popular language, but slowly Python is gaining its momentum. Now look at salaries. Now if we look at salary for fresher in Python, the Python has little edge over Java due to its demand in automation. Now days jobs are mostly related to automation and artificial intelligence, which prefers Python over Java. That's why salary in case of fresher is more in Python. But in case of experienced candidates, salary for Java is high because Java has been in use way before Python became popular. The experienced engineers find it convenient for them to stick to their comfort zone instead of moving to a new language. The first difference between Java and Python that most people notice lies in the number of code lines used for the same thing. Python is much more compact, which also makes it a lot easier to read. While you may think you will always be able to read your own code just fine, it's a different story with collaborations, teamwork, and open source projects. Chances are, you're already aware of the Hello World exercise. It's a very basic program with only one functionality, to print out the phrase Hello World. Any coding language can do this without the need for complicated code. Therefore, teachers often recommended it as the first thing to try when learning a new language. In the Python versus Java case, it also helps to illustrate the difference in the complexity of syntax between these two languages.